If your examination is also on 25th of October 2025, then this 7.1 statement says the biggest problem for you is not in the 7.1, it is in the 7.9. Why? Because they have mentioned syllabus. The question paper shall consist of wide range of topics of psychology. Now, can they please could not specify, or why they did not specify this time or maybe last time, I don't know. But what does they mean by wide range? What a Mphil aspirant or what a Mphil student will study, will do or do what for covering this wide range of topics of psychology. Okay. So under psychology, if you will open the 11th class NCERT very first chapter, there are different range of topics that have mentioned in psychology. But not just that, even in psychology, you will consider the research methods as well. You will consider the psychological testing as well. You will even consider cognitive science as well. You can do that. You can do neuroscience, you can do neuropsychology, you can do psychogeriatrics and all those things. Okay. But a student who is simply preparing for Mphil entrance examination, what he or she should do for covering this syllabus of KGMU. And interestingly, they also don't publish the They don't publish the question paper as well. So you don't have the previous year questions as well. What is the thing you need to do right now to clear the upcoming 25th of October examination? That is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So welcome everyone once again. You are watching this channel, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about the syllabus and for your King George Medical University UP Lucknow examination for your session of 2025. So 25th of October, your examination will be conducted just after Diwali, and not Dilavi, it's Diwali, and you have to prepare for an entrance examination which has no syllabus, okay, which has no syllabus in lifetime. And what you need to cover is you need to cover the wide range of topics. Now, what does this wide range means is, if you want to ease your preparation, what you can do is you can just simply go through these 4 books. It will cover the wide range and diversified range of the topics. Okay. This C book stands for Sonra K. Cicerelli, the latest edition, 7th edition. This A book stands for the A.K. Singh, Research Methods, Testing, Measurement and Behavioral Sciences. This N book consists of Neeraj Ahuja for your psychopathology and clinical psychology, that portion. And this F Fish Clinical Psychopathology is the updated or the upgraded or the very high level version of this N book. Okay. So if you don't want to do any hassle, just going through these 4 books will do work easy for you, or will do your work easy to prepare for the upcoming Mphil entrance. Okay. You don't need to read any other different books. And if you will do only 2, you will not cover wide range. Even if you do these 2, you will be not able to cover the wide range. Okay. Because you don't know the PYQ pattern. And this is the most biggest hurdle or obstacle, or we can say hindrance in your preparation, that you don't have any idea about the PYQ of what is the pattern. Are they asking the basic questions, and are they asking difficult questions, or what not? Okay, so you don't have even the slightest idea. If you talk about the ABHAS, you have the PYQ. At least one PYQ is enough. If you are watching this channel, one PYQ is more than enough to make your life easy. Okay, but for KGMU particularly, you don't have any PYQ, and also you don't have any you don't have any website reference and all those things. Okay, so don't waste time on finding these PYQs. What you need to do is simply do the CANF version and do these PYQs. Okay, this is the most important thing you can do. Take ABHAS PYQ of 2024. It is available completely free on the Telegram channel. We don't charge for the PYQs. Come on. And ABHAS 2024 PYQ is there. 2025 will be there shortly. And you can also prepare from the all PYQs present on our Telegram channel. That will be more helpful for you by you searching the KGMU PYQs. Okay. So don't search for the PYQs. You will not find that. If they were present, they would have been already uploaded on the Telegram channel. So there are not. But what you can do is, if you are giving this time KGMU, please at least do this favor for the next aspirants who will be giving in 26 maybe, 27 maybe, that you drop the questions, maybe the memory based, if you have the paper, whatnot. If you can share, then it will help you. What problem you are facing right now, at least they should not face for the next time. And if you do this thing, then it will be very helpful. Okay, now ABHAS 2024 PYQ you can do, and all the PYQs that are available for you, you need to do that. Okay, you need to do all those PYQs, which is very, very important. Why? What will it will happen? It will make your preparation better. Why? Because you will be covering the basics as well, and you will be covering the advanced topic as well. Okay, because some of the Mphil entrances ask only the basics version, and some of the Mphil entrances ask the advanced version as well. Okay, because if you will look into LGBRIMH, they ask different difficult type of question, but for Kanpur, not Kanpur, it is Lucknow. So for Lucknow, as far as this trend is concerned, don't do LGBRIMH, it will waste your time. But ABAS and all the North examination, what is happening in Gurugram and all those university, if you do all those things, it will be very, very helpful for you. But apart from that, this is the alongside version. Okay, you have to do this thing. This is the alongside version. But what is the main path, main goal? Main goal is your CANF. You have to read these books thoroughly, properly. And if you have access to the CANF 7000 folder, you can do questions from there, because we have covered from the very basics from these books only. And if you don't have, it's completely okay. You can do the PYQs. And if you have access, you can do these mocks, as well as you can do PYQs as well. Okay, do these PYQs. Those are very, very important. I guarantee you PYQs will be more helpful than you searching for the KGMU PYQs. That is none of your business. You don't find anywhere this KGMU, and even in the website they have not mentioned. Okay, I don't know what this they exactly want. They have not given the PYQ. They are charging 4,000, the very highest fee till now. Okay, one more entrance, I guess GMC, not GMCH. Let it be for the moment. There was one more entrance which also charges the same, DMCH, I guess. Yes, and they have, what they have mentioned very strategically is that the wide range. Okay, now this wide range don't sound any good for me at least, and I hope you also are feeling the same thing, that this is just completely just okay. Now, but you have to do your karma. You are here to clear the Mphil entrance. What you will do is you have to read each and every possible thing which you can read, and if sticking to these 4 books will help you more than doing from more things from different books. Okay, just stick to these books, and believe me, you will be finding questions directly coming from these books only. Okay, so make sure you prepare better for the KGMU Mphil entrance on 25th of October 2025. Doing this is very, very important, very, very necessary for you. Okay, and if you are one of those who are giving the RML examination for this time 2025, just after 10 days, then you can join the RML program, which will include RML plus KGMU. Okay, RML plus KGMU, it will include, and you will be able to solve mocks and get more knowledge about KGMU as well and about RML as well. Okay, so if you are one of those who is giving both of these examinations, then make sure you join the RML program. Okay, because we will be conducting mocks for KGMU as well and for RML as well. And if you are only giving the KGMU, which is most likely not possible that you are only giving the KGMU. If you are only giving the KGMU, then simply you can join in the RML one, and you will have access to the KGMU mocks only, specifically only KGMU mocks, because you are targeting only the KGMU mocks. But the insights, the hidden things which are there in the paper will help you more as compared to the what you will do alone. Okay. Alright, and if you don't want to join, that's completely okay, but make sure you are reading from these 4 books only. Why? Because the very next thing which you are going to see is about the seat criteria. Okay, now total number of available seats is only 8, and if you belong to the unreserved category, if you are not from Uttar Pradesh or UP and you belong to somewhere else, you will be considered under this, and you are having 0-3 over here. OBC is over here 2 seats, SC 2 seats, ST 0, and EWS you have only 1 seat over here. The timing is 11 AM to 12:30 PM. So it means 1 hour and 30 minutes. It means 90 minutes. So as per this assumption, the paper will be very basic and on the easier side. They will not ask that much difficult topics because they have allotted only 90 minutes. And whenever you will find these kind of examinations, it is pretty obvious that the pattern is going to be the basic ABAS version or the basic Gurugram version and the North Indian version which they are having in Mphil entrances. That will only follow, because 90 minutes you are 4,000 gone, and you have to take your 8 out of 8 seat, 1 seat out of these 8 seat. Okay, but for that you have having next 15 days, make most out of it. Read the CANF books. If you have access to the CANF 7000 bundle, do these questions enormously, massively, do again and again. It will be repetitive, bore You will feel monotonous, but that's okay. You will clear the entrance exam. If you don't have access, check the description. You can have access to the CNF 7000 folder by joining, of course. And most importantly, do the PYQs. It is not necessary that you will do PYQs of KGMU only. You have to do PYQs for KGMU, not KGMU, IBAS, Gurugram, and all the North Indian states which are having this Mphil entrance examination. If you do these things, it will be more helpful than doing nothing. Okay. So with this, we'll end this video. I hope you have learned something. And see, they have not mentioned the syllabus. Anywhere they have not mentioned syllabus. They have only mentioned wide range. Okay. Now this wide range cannot be specified in some particular context. They can ask about psychotherapy as well. They can ask about the psychoanalysis as well. And they can ask about difference between psychology and psychiatry as well. Okay. So you have to prepare for each and every aspect of your preparation, and you have to clear the upcoming Mphil entrance. Okay. All right. With this, we will end this video. See you all in the next video. Wish you all the very best. Make sure you prepare very well and get yourself the edge, the chance by clearing this time KGMU 2025. Don't forget to send the PYQs once you are done with this. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.